As you can see, I'm not in my normal place. Those guys have hijacked my place. Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making beef udon noodles in a sweet spicy sauce that can be served with prawn crackers, etc. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Garlic, smash and peel it off like a boss in no time. Mortar and pestle. Ginger, turn this into a paste. Medium-high heat, add in the oil. Add in the paste, cook until golden brown. Red chili and cook the rawness. Thinly sliced beef, easy to cook and absorbs the flavor. Add it all in. Stir fry this for 3 minutes. Now add in the green pepper and chilies and stir fry this for a minute. For the sauce, dried chili flakes, brown sugar, a good 3 tablespoons of sriracha, rice wine vinegar, dark soy sauce, sweet chili, sesame oil, a good pinch of salt, and finally a touch of water. Give this a good mix. Done. Add in the sauce, mix. And turn the heat to low. Add in the udon noodles. Cover and let it steam up for 2 minutes on low heat. Turn the heat back on medium-high and we're gonna stir fry the noodles for 3 minutes. Give them a really good glaze of those spices and sauce. Finish off with some finely chopped coriander and a touch of sesame oil. Oh my days. And now just turn off the heat. So here you have my mouth-watering beef udon noodles in a sweet spicy sauce. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try these udon beef noodles. I've got some crackers as well. Smells amazing. Wow, so delicious. The sesame oil and the sauces, wow. The beef is nice and juicy. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.
In the other way like I'm a siren. In the other way like I'm a siren. In the other way like I'm a siren.
Those guys having a wedding.